Some communities just mean more than others. And here in the north end of St. Catharines is Sunnyside Estates, a Walker's Creek neighborhood. And this home behind me, backing onto the creek, is 46 Strathcona, a 1,200 square foot side split in one of the most desirable areas to raise a family or retire here in St. Catharines. Some of the best trails down to the beach, the best schools, and the best people. And this home is not going to disappoint. And yet to me, it's all about the backyard. Hot tubs, pools, mini putt pad, and bonfire nights overlooking Walker's Creek. It doesn't get much better than this. Let's see if I can drop a putt here for you. With Walker's Creek trail improvements, new pedestrian bridges, this home in a creek ravine backyard, this is one lifestyle that you know you'll be set up with and very happy for a long time. For more information, please call Carl at uphouserealty.ca.